Hi traders, live day trading. Today is 9 of December 2019. We are now live for gold futures market. So at this moment, as you can see, we are on the short sell position. I'm entering at what's the price? 1,465.7 cents, and we are shorting about 14 ticks, 1 point to the downward movement. So at this moment, still maintaining positive about 30 US dollar. I'm shorting only one lot, and market seems pretty much tough today. So there's a sideways movement can be seen, and then further down in my expectation. So from my day trading setup for gold, there's a short sell signal appeared during in the beginning of a US session. So for the other one, crude oil doesn't look good at this moment. Still in a minus territory, very tough one. And hope for the gold can close. Seems pretty hard. Might hit stop loss for crude oil. Okay, there's a reversal for the coal market, and mm, so we will remove a stop loss to 1467.50 cents. Uh, just in case if the price on the reversal price of movement, so we will exit at 1565.7. So instead of the TP around $1.40 on the downside, so the entry is 1465.7. So this is gold futures market, and the volume is quite stable at this moment, not much spike. Still waiting for the market to have a good move. So both market today have minus in territory. looks good for crude oil. There's a real, not the worst. Reduce some floating negative, so hopefully we can back to the positive territory. So let's wait. So let's go back to gold, because this is a live broadcast YouTube for gold market, and for crude oil. Crude oil, I'm using a different video recording. Still waiting for crude oil to. Sorry, I mean the gold to go further down. Tonight maybe all the volume will come in late. Okay, now we can see the red one. Another 2 more minutes. Hopefully there is a kick in for the market. I mean the large volume time now is 11:15, and the next candle will appear at any moment soon. Yeah, now we appear the new candle. Okay, for crude oil, looks good. I didn't expect this trade today will take a longer time. Could be there is less volume, because end of year is not really interesting market, especially during Christmas and New Year Eve. There's more likely the market is choppy and also sleepy. So by the way, guys, if you just watching my video, there's a link below in description, and also now live day trading for gold futures market GCG 0 February 2020 futures contract. So we are shorting the market at 1465.70 cents, and waiting for to TP at 1464. Should be around 1.4 ticks. Not much for today, but that's how the rule from my setup to short sell at this price level and go further down. So looks good. We can see there's a red candle now. By the way, this is live trading, and okay, that's what we want. Crude oil also shows a zero. This means we are moving from negative territory to the positive side, but still unstable for crude oil. But for gold, looks good. Still waiting for gold market. The market quite boring and tough tonight. So instead of the volume, also we can see there's a large volume waiting for gold at 1565. Although our target is far more at the bottom, which is at 1464. High volume over here. Then this is our target. Hopefully everything will be fine. Now crude oil, we are already on the positive territory. So let's take a look a bit for crude oil market. Still not yet. We're hoping for crude oil to enter. Okay, now back to the negative side. This one is crude oil. This is the gold futures. So now gold already back to the positive territory, plus 60, plus 80, plus 100 just, and for crude oil already back to positive territory, but for gold, still waiting for the market to okay. Now at 00 looks good. Yeah, a bit boring tonight. Okay, it's a move. So it's still expected for gold to have a big move to the downside any moment from now, and for crude oil looks good, back to positive side. Okay, a bit unstable. Now we have to think about the trailing stop perhaps. Okay, PBC. So as for crude, I hope the market not going for sideways, especially for gold, because it's such a waste, because we already seen this a pattern for sideways movement already finished, and now waiting for the break to the downside. And for crude oil as well, waiting for it to go for the high, but still slow. It seems like not much volume. I didn't check the volume for today, but based on paradox, should be a good entry for buy position. But yeah, let's wait. Hopefully can finish all trade nicely. Okay, so far looks good for crude oil. So you can see we are at a positive 200 US dollar in profit, and so it was a good one after a big a minor pullback. So now the price move towards our TP area, and so now we are waiting at 59.20, which is where we will exit our positions. It's a tough one. Better to use a trading stop, so I will move my stop loss to 58.85, just in case if the price reverse back, move back to the downside. So I have to advise for my trading signal. Selling stop. So we are waiting for both market to hit the TP. So for crude oil, still already in positive, but for coal 00, we are on the short sell position, but got longer than expected. Okay, we are in the move, short sell. The target is somewhere down there, and both now is positive. You can see a green color. That's what we want, green back. Okay, 6 more ticks towards the TP area. As for gold, we can see 2 ticks, but much more tougher with the gold futures GCG 0 February 2020 contract. So there's a high volume waiting at 1465. Maybe quite a round number. Okay, let's take a look on the crude oil. So by the way, there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Might be helpful for your trading style. And we hope to TP any moment for crude oil. Okay, we hit the position for crude oil. We exit the market and a good profit of 320 for crude oil. As for gold, not yet reached the TP area. Hopefully, not a lost one. So I will keep doing live because this video actually mainly for gold futures, not for crude oil. I'm recording also for crude oil at the same time. This one on the daily basis purpose. So let's wait. We done for crude oil. So I need to send out the signal. We hit TP. So profit was tough but a good one. So there's a link below for this one in description. Okay. So for gold, maybe take another 1 hour. Could be. So I will end this video and hopefully we'll continue again for gold futures market later on in 1 hour time. So thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel. Feel free to click to like, share, comment, and share this video to anyone. Thank you. Bye bye.